Bengali cuisine is known for its aromatic use of spices and a distinct flavor of mustard. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mustard fish curry full of flavors. Clean and wash the fish pieces. You can use fishes like Rohu and Catla. To this, add in a teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon of red chilli powder and a teaspoon of salt. Now rub this on the fish pieces and marinate for at least 20 minutes. Now in a mixer jar, add in a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a tablespoon of poppy seeds, a teaspoon of peppercorns, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now to this, add in enough water and grind it to a smooth fine paste. Now heat up a pan and add in about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, enough to shallow fry the fish. Now wait till the oil is hot enough, otherwise it would have a bitter taste. You can check this by adding a mustard seed and check whether it crackles. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the fish and shallow fry it each side for 3 minutes. Once the fish is partially fried, 3 minutes for each side, drain off the excess oil and transfer it to a separate plate. Now in the same pan, add in a pinch of mustard seeds, a pinch of cumin seeds, a pinch of black caraway seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds and a pinch of fennel seeds. Now to this, add in 1 finely chopped onion and 1 green chilli and saute till the onions are translucent. Once the onions are soft and translucent, add in the ground masala paste. Now saute this for 1 or 2 minutes or until all the raw aroma goes off. To this, add in 1 tomato, saute till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, add in 1 cup of water and a little bit more of salt. I have added 1/4 cup of water to the mixer jar and added that as well. Now combine everything well. Cook this on low flame and once the curry begins to boil, add in the fried fish pieces. Gently toss and turn it so that it gets infused with the curry. Now cook this on low flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and we can see that the fish is well cooked. Now turn off the flame, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves, serve it with some hot rice. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this recipe out and share in your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.